Good morning. I'm talking to you about our assembly, which is for Monday the 2nd of November. I'm talking to you from my garden because you will all be at home still, because it'll be the Monday after half term. Staff will be in school preparing everything for your return on Tuesday, and you'll still be enjoying your holiday. The assemblies this week refer to Unicef. It's a little bit windy here, talking about climate change. Unicef Article 28. And just a reminder to you, Article 28 is that every child has the right to an education. Primary education must be free, and different forms of secondary education must be available to every child. Discipline in schools must respect children's dignity and their rights. Richer countries must help poorer countries achieve this. There are a variety of reasons why people can't in other countries access education. Some of it is because it's too difficult to get to the schools. There could be climate change, there could be floods, there could be bad weather, it could be that they have to go to work to be able to keep their families fed. So we're going to be looking at, in your pathways, an environmental incentive and an initiative. And here is the website if you want to have a look at it before you come back to school on Tuesday. And it's about what we can do as a school and as a quite a wealthy country to help poorer countries. In the pack from the website, there are lots of case studies and information and stories about people from other countries and their difficulties in accessing the education. Some of it is really interesting reading, so I would recommend that you have a look at that. Here's the rest of the pack, which is the Home Learning Pack of 2020, and it gives you a list of resources that you might need, but you'll also be able to access this at school if you can't do it at home, so don't worry about it. The activity, as you say, is an activity for young people, an introduction to the activity and background information, templates to print or copy, so your class teams will be making sure that everyone's got a copy, so that you can have a look and see as a group in your class and decide what's the main difficulties in accessing education. Great big long list and it's all written down. Or alternatively, you've got the problems and solutions in pictorial form, which you could colour in, and then you've also got a heart, which you can stick your main concerns and your solutions on there. You can write something on the bottom, or you can get again your class teams to help you write those. So it's a really nice exercise for you all to think about and discuss and work together. You'll be also working on and discussing this in your own pathway assemblies. So this is just the launch of the Climate Change Initiative for Article 28 UNICEF today. Hope to see you on Tuesday, and in the meantime, see you soon. Remember, if you're not sure, take a look at this website. It'll give you lots of information.